So, everyone knows that I like my tech, and when the Shadow subscription service came out, I decided to sign up. Basically, I'd be streaming a high-end PC across the internet, but in order to do that, I could do that directly with my laptop, mobile, MacBook, any other device, but I decided to purchase the optional Shadow Ghost. How does it work? Well, you start off with a Shadow subscription, and Shadow is effectively a Windows 10 PC with a high-end processor, powerful GPU, SSD grade storage in a remote server. Here we go! Wait a minute, I hear you ask, what on earth is Shadow? Just to re-explain, it's a fully featured cloud-based Windows 10 high-end computer. However, it's streamed over the internet, so it does require you to have a minimum of 15 Mbps per second on your broadband and unlimited data sharing. Now, when I got the Shadow Ghost, it's essentially to plug into any monitor or TV via a HDMI, and it arrived in this beautiful box. This is the device itself, and essentially it will stream the Shadow's cloud-based subscription service over the internet. If you turn over to the back, there are multiple ports which I'll go into shortly, a power button on the front, and a very sleek exterior. It's a small little box that's made out of plastic essentially, along with a sort of soft felt-like top in black with the Shadow logo. The power button is very clicky, makes a very nice noise. Here's the left, the right, and the back. At the back there are numerous ports, starting with an Ethernet port, two USB Type 3s, two USB Type 2s, you'll see I've got two dongles in there for mouse and keyboard, a HDMI 2.0, a mic audio input jack, and the power supply. Underneath there's plenty of vents for a good air intake and a light that lights up red, which I'll show you later on. The device itself is very light indeed and is rather unobtrusive, and in comparison to the Rogue Phone 3 it's relatively small. Although it looks good, it doesn't look quite as great as the Rogue Phone 3, which I'm sure you'll agree is the slicker beast. It's 18 centimeters in width, around 7 inches. In terms of length or height, whichever way you want to call it, around 12 centimeters. They're about 5 inches. And its maximum height, if you're looking to stick this under your set-top boxes, is 5 centimeters, around 2 inches. The box itself has a number of components, including a very brief user guide that's covered in English, multiple pictures, French, and the entire set is also covered in German. Inside the box there are a number of different power connectors. The power supply itself I've already removed and plugged in to my setup, so I won't show you that, but these are the individual connectors for different countries so that you can use them abroad. I'm using the UK plug connector. The box also features a nice, thick, decent HDMI 2.0 cable, which is used to connect the box up to your monitor or to a TV. I've connected this to a large 65-inch Samsung TV, which is perfect for gaming. All of this fits in very nicely indeed back into the box and takes up a rather unassuming package, which looks very good to keep. I managed to hang on to the box and I'm using it on one of my display cases just to show that I've got this amazing piece of tech in the house. So Shadow is powerful enough to run any Windows-based application, including web browsers, word processors. I use Microsoft Office and Adobe Acrobat quite a lot, design tools, games and more. They don't offer a free trial, and you essentially sign up to a monthly subscription. When I plugged it in, this nice little red light comes along at the bottom, giving a very neat glow underneath and giving it a cool effect inside my display cabinet. The box itself is relatively small and unobtrusive, and I think comes across very well. It's a solid build, although there was a small rattly component inside. The number of ports at the back are very decent, particularly if you use a lot of infrared or Bluetooth, and I'm very excited to try it out. You need to see exactly what happens in my next video, which will cover how the Shadow subscription service works both on PC and on Android. I've thrown in some links to the Microsoft Arc Touch mouse and Arc Touch keyboard that I have that are very slim and portable, can easily stick into your backpack along with the Shadow device, and we can take around the world anywhere we go. Plug in, sign up to the internet, and get on with it. Stay tuned for the next episode and hit like and subscribe. See you on the next one.